Hey, how's it going everyone? It's Griffin here, and today's video is going to be a bit different than the other videos on my channel. So I'm actually going to be talking about YouTube ad money or ad revenue. Over the past couple of months, I have had a couple people mention to me that they noticed that a while ago I posted a video that ended up going viral. It's right here if you want to check out the link. It's really lame. It's just a roller coaster video, but basically YouTube's algorithm for some reason just picked it up and really enjoyed it or something, so it was recommending it to everyone, and like within a year and a half I got over 5 million views on it. And yeah, a couple people asked me like how much you can make from a viral video. So yeah, I just thought I would go into my analytics platform on YouTube, show you guys what's up, show you guys how many views I got over the past like 6-7 years and what you can expect in terms of revenue for a viral video. So just a little disclaimer though, obviously everyone's videos or results I should say are going to be different in terms of ad revenue, because the way you make money on YouTube is through CPM, which is like cost per like 1,000 clicks basically. So if it's like an entertainment video, it'll usually be a lot lower. We'll see, for example, in the roller coaster video that it's around like $1, versus if you do like educational type things, it can go all the way up to like $30-$40 per 1,000 views. So yeah, let's go into my laptop and I'll show you guys what's up with that. Alright, so here we are on the analytics platform that YouTube provides creators. So as you can see, we're on the platform for this actual video that went viral. It's called New Wind Seeker at Canada's Wonderland GoPro. So yeah, I posted that like 7 years ago when I went on a school trip, not even thinking it would make any money, not even thinking about money, just because I thought it'd be fun. But anyways, as you can see here, the average view duration is 2 minutes and 13 seconds for the last 28 days. I mean, it's lost popularity since last year when it went viral, but that's the nature of a viral video, you know, like YouTube picked it up for some reason, they started pushing it. And literally it spiked, but I'll show you guys that in a second. So as you can see here, $25.84 is how much I made in the last 28 days from this video, and this is estimated revenues also, guys. So estimated revenue shows you an estimate revenues. So for example, some months it says estimated revenue I'll make like 100, but I actually get a higher payout or a lower payout. So yeah, this is like an estimate. But if we go to we'll go to views first, just because I want to show you guys how the views spiked when it really went viral back in beginning 2018 and late 2017 here. Yeah, so as of March 2017, YouTube started picking it up. As you can see here, it's giving me roughly like what, 8,000 views per day, all the way up until the day where I got the most views, which was 53,500 views in one day on December 2nd, 2017. So, and then as you can see, viral video effect, it just spiked right down and has been stagnant ever since. Alright, so if we now look at the estimated revenue that this video generated with over 5 million lifetime views, it is $2,950 estimated revenue, which really doesn't seem like a lot actually, considering that it has 5 million views plus. But that would give a CPM of roughly like $1.70 per 1,000 views, which I guess isn't that bad. But considering the fact that if you want to start like YouTube, for example, with like entertainment videos or viral videos and stuff, your cost per 1,000 views is going to be pretty low. Like $1.70 is not that good if you're starting right now. For example, in some of my other videos though that are Amazon related or educational, business related, I have CPMs all the way up to like $40 per 1,000 views. So it's really hard to say why YouTube pinpoints some videos at higher CPM or not. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to be really transparent with you guys. I had people ask me what they could expect with YouTube ad revenues, especially for a viral video like this one. And yeah, this is what you can expect. As you can see here, the highest day was $52.16, and now it just trends at pretty low per day. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and check out my other videos. They're a lot more in depth about how you can actually make some substantial money online with Amazon, Shopify, etc. So yeah guys, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.